Are you thinking about using RFID to improve your business operations, but not sure which RFID reader is the right one for you? Don't worry, you're not alone. Choosing the right reader can feel overwhelming, with so many options on the market. In this video, I'll break it all down in simple terms so you can confidently pick the best RFID reader for your business needs. First, let's quickly clarify. What exactly is an RFID reader? An RFID reader is the device that communicates with RFID tags to capture data. It scans tags wirelessly and sends that information to your database or application. Without the right reader, your RFID system simply won't work effectively. Now, RFID readers come in different types, and this is where most people get stuck. Let's break it down. Handheld readers. These are portable, like barcode scanners. They're great for inventory counts, audits, or when staff need to walk around scanning items. If your business involves retail, healthcare, or warehouses where mobility is important, handheld readers are a flexible choice. Fixed readers. These are mounted at specific points, like entry doors, conveyor belts, or production lines. They automatically capture data without human intervention. If you need real-time tracking, fixed readers are the way to go. Integrated RFID portals. These are more advanced setups, often installed at doorways, dock doors, or large passageways. They can scan hundreds of tags as items move through. Ideal for logistics, distribution centers, or high-volume operations. Okay, so which one should you choose? Here are the key factors to consider. Business use case. What problem are you solving? For example, if you're just doing periodic stock counts, a handheld is enough. If you need constant tracking of assets, fixed readers or portals make more sense. Read range. Different readers have different power levels. Some read tags only a few feet away, while others can capture tags over 30 feet. Make sure the reader matches your environment. Small retail stores need less range than large warehouses. Tag volume. Are you scanning 50 items a day or 5,000 items an hour? High-volume environments need readers that can process multiple tag reads per second without errors. Connectivity options. Check how the reader will connect to your system. USB, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet. For mobile workers, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is best. For stationary setups, Ethernet provides stable connectivity. Durability and environment. Will the reader be used indoors, outdoors, or in rugged environments like factories? Ruggedized readers are built to handle dust, water, and extreme temperatures. Budget. Handhelds are usually cheaper to start with, while fixed readers and portals cost more but deliver higher automation. Always balance cost with long-term efficiency. Software integration. This is often overlooked. The best hardware is only as good as the software behind it. For example, if you're focusing on inventory tracking, then use Tagmatics Wedge. If you're focusing on asset tracking, you can pair your readers with Tagmatics AT Lite and Tagmatics AT, which makes it easy to manage assets with RFID. And if you're in retail, solutions like Tagmatics Retail integrate readers with inventory management, loss prevention, and in-store visibility. Choosing a reader that works seamlessly with these platforms will save you time and money. Let me give you a few quick examples. A retail store that wants to do weekly stock checks. Go for a handheld reader. A warehouse tracking pallets moving in and out. A fixed reader at dock doors works best. A hospital tracking expensive medical equipment. A mix of handhelds for audits and fixed readers for real-time visibility could be ideal. So, choosing the right RFID reader really comes down to your business goals, environment, and budget. Start with your needs, then match them to the right type of reader. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more RFID and technology insights, and drop a comment below with any questions you have.